So welcome to all of you. Today we will see how to find the volume of the solid by using double integral. Okay. So we have this formula. Volume of that solid is nothing but a double integral over the region ZD. This is the formula we have to apply. So this is the important formula only. So this is what the formula to find the volume of the solid by using the double integral. So we'll take a problem so that you will understand how to apply this formula and so on. Okay. So we take it. Find the volume of the solid that lies under the paraboloid z is equal to x square plus y square. So we have to find the value of this paraboloid. So and above the region D. So region D is given to you. It is in the xy plane bounded by the line y is equal to twice x and the parabola y is equal to x square. Okay. So solution. Given that z is equal to x square plus y square. Okay. So volume, we will write this formula for volume is equal to double integral over d z dA. So you have given d where d is the region, bounded by y is equal to twice x and y is equal to x square. So for that, so you have to use double integral over the region D. That means what, you have to draw the region and you have to find the limits of x and limit of y. So we'll draw first limits of x and we'll draw the region so that you will get the limits of x and limits of y. Okay. So I have to draw the parabola and we have to draw a line. Okay. So now we'll find first point of intersection, because what, suppose this parabola is this parabola is what, y is equal to 0. This is your parabola. Okay. So that means what, the line may be like this, right? So you have to find the point of intersection of line and parabola, right? So you have to check whether the line is intersect to the parabola or not. So before that, so to draw the region we need to find the point of intersection of line and parabola, right? So if it is intersect, then what, your line will be like this then, right? So there are two formulas. Your line is like, because y is equal to twice x, line is what, passing through it. So these two chances are there. So because, so here what, the line intersect to the points. Here what, line intersect only because both the curves are passing through origin. So that means what, line is tangent to the parabola, right? So there are two possibilities. So we need to find the point of intersection of this line. So otherwise what, if you draw this like this, that means what, then your region will be unbounded then. Okay. So your region, so to draw the correct region, you need to find the point of intersection of the line and the parabola. This is the parabola. Okay. So what, y is equal to this one, twice x is equal to x square, right? So I will take x common and shift here what, 2 minus x is equal to 0. So that means what, x is equal to 0, 2. Okay. So x is equal to 0 implies that y is also 0. X is equal to 2 implies that y is equal to, because what, y is equal to twice x, you get this. So you have to find the value of y from this equation. So y is 4 now, right? So therefore the point of intersections are what, 0, 0 and 2, 4. That means what, the line intersect is this. So we draw now figure now. We draw the figure and we'll fix the region D. So this is your parabola and the line is y is equal to twice x is like this line, because what, this intersect now. So this parabola is what, y is equal to x square. Now this is your region then. This is your region. Okay. So we'll write this one, x axis, y axis. These are very important to write this x axis, y axis and origin. Now we have from this point is what, this point is 2, 4. This point is 2, 4. Okay. Now here what, so we'll write now, we'll solve our problem. So your volume is equal to double integral. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll draw the strip parallel to y axis. Draw the strip parallel to the y axis. Then limits of x are constant. So limits of x means what, your part is not, see, this is what, this will be here. Okay. So that means what, here, this is what, line x is equal to 2. That means your x will be what, from 0 to 2. X lies between 0 to 2, right? Or if you want to find the limit of y now here, if your strip is parallel to x-axis, the limit of what y lies between what 0 and 4, right? If your strip is parallel to x-axis, then you have to write the limit of y as a constant. So that is what 0 to 4 here. Okay. Okay. So I will write this is what limit of x now. Now limits of y from the lower curve and y from the upper curve. So y from the lower curve is parabola. So this is what x square, and your upper curve is a line. So that is what twice x. Your z is what x square plus y square. So these are the limits of x. That means you have to integrate with respect to y first. Okay. So this is what 0 to 2. We integrate this is what x square y plus y cube by 3 x square twice x dx. Okay. So 0 to 2, 0 to 2. So first we have to put y is equal to twice x. That is twice x cube plus 8x cube by 3 minus, you have to put y is equal to x square. So this is what x to the power 4 plus this is what y to the power 6 upon 3 x to the power 6 upon 3 dx. You have to put y is equal to x square to the power 3 is what x to the power 6 now. Okay. So now we'll simplify this. This is what 0 to 2. This is twice x cube and that is 8. So this is 6 plus 8. 6 plus is 14x cube minus x to the power 4 minus x to the power 6 upon 3 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Okay. So now this is what 14 by 4. So x to the power 4 upon 4 minus x to the power 5 upon 5 minus x to the power 7 upon 21 0 to 2. 0 to 2. Okay. Now this is equal to. So what we have to do? We have to put x is equal to 0 as lower limit. First we have to put the upper limit and then we have to see if you put the lower limit everything is 0 now because each term contains x. Okay. So now we will put a. This is what 14 by 16 now. This is what 2 to the power 4 now. 2 to the power 4. Okay. 2 to the power 4. This is what 6 14 by 3. This is 3. This is 3. So this is what 12 then. This is 12. Okay. So now x to the power. This is what 2 to the power 5 upon 5 minus 2 to the power 7 upon 21. Okay. So this will be, so this will what? So here what? 2 to the power 4 and this is 2 square. So this is 2 square then only. Okay. So 2 square that means what? So this is 4. So this is 56. 56 by 3. 14 for the is 56 minus 2 to the power 5 is 32 upon 5 minus 2 to the power 7 is 128 upon 21 and if you take the sum of this one, so I will directly write this is without calculating. This is what 105 is your LCM because what 3 is 21 is divided by 3, only I have to take the product of these two, right? So then what 3, this is what 21 into 56. 21 into 56 is what 1960 minus, so this is what 5, that means what this is 7 into 56 is this. So then 5, this is what 21 into 32 is 672 minus 640 and this will be equal to 216 upon 30. Okay. So check your answer. 35. This is 35. You can check your answer whether it is correct or not. Okay. So now here what you can draw. So this is an exercise to you. So draw strip parallel to the x-axis. So if you draw strip parallel to the x-axis, then your limits of what? This integral will be what? The value will be what? So this is what 0 to 4 now. And what? X from the left curve and x from the right curve. So your left curve is line. So this will what? Y by 2 and this is what? Root of y now. Because x is what? Plus, you have to take the plus because you are in the first quadrant. So take the positive root. Okay. So this is what then? Z is what? X square plus y square dx dy. right? So you can see that this value is also same as 216 upon 35. So this is an exercise to you. You solve this problem with the help of draw strip parallel to the y-axis. So you have to solve the problem in only one way. Okay. So in exam. Okay. So but here for practice, so solve the problems in the both the way by drawing the strip parallel to the x-axis and strip parallel to the y-axis. Okay. So we'll take one more problem on the volume. So here what, to draw the region and to find the limits of x and limits of y. This is very important. If you can't draw the region, if you can't find the limits of x and y, this problem will be useless. Okay. So at least write the formula for this one to get the marks. Okay. So we'll take the next problem. Find the volume. Find the volume. Find the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by the planes x plus twice y plus z is equal to 2, x is equal to twice y, x is equal to z is equal to 0. The solution. Given that the plane x plus twice y plus z is equal to 2. So z is equal to 2 minus x minus twice y. Okay. So now volume is equal to, we'll write the formula. Volume is equal to double integral over z dA. Now you have to write the d now, where d is the region. You have to put in two dimensions. You have to put z is equal to 0, right? So in region x plus y, x plus twice y is equal to 0, is equal to 2. X is equal to twice y, x is equal to 0, right? Your z is 0, right? So therefore what, x plus twice y is equal to 2, x plus twice y is equal to this, and x is equal to 0 then. Okay. So now x limit is x is 0 here. So if you put x is equal to 0, then the limits of x, limit of x is 0 to 1, 0 to 1, how it is? Okay, so we'll draw the region. We'll draw these two lines. Okay, x is equal to twice y, this line is passing through origin. Okay, so we'll draw this line. So if your x is twice y is 4y, so that is the point of intersection. Okay, so that will x is equal to 0, then what? X is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 is here. Okay, if y is equal to 0, then x is 2 here. X is 2. We draw this line. Okay. Now your region what? X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y axis. So this is what? X axis. This is 4. This is y axis. Okay. Now this is the point of intersection of these two lines. So here what? X is equal to twice y. We can write this. X is equal to twice y here. Twice y is 4y. So this is y is half now here. Y is half. So if y is half, then if you put y is equal to half here, so x plus 1 is equal to 2. If you want to take 1, so this is what? 1 half. So this is your region. Okay. Now what we'll do? So if you want to draw this strip, now here what? If you want to strip parallel to the x-axis, then the problem becomes complicated, because what? Here from this to this and here this to this. So for that we will draw the strip like this. only we have the better way to draw the strip parallel to y-axis only. Okay, so now we'll write the limits of x. Okay, so we'll write the volume now. So we'll write volume. So volume is equal to integral. So here limit of x is what? 0 to 1. And limits of what? Y from the lower curve. This is what? Y is equal to twice x. Therefore, we have to write the name of the line actually. Plus twice y is equal to 2. Okay. So y from the lower curve. Lower curve is this. This line equation is what is? This is what? Twice x. And y from the upper curve. Y from the upper curve is what? So this is what? Y from this what? So twice y. So this is what? Twice y is equal to 2 minus x. So y is equal to 1 minus x by 2. So 1 minus x by 2. So your z is what? This is what? 2 minus x minus twice y dy dx. This will be your integration. This will be your integration. So here what? X is equal to twice y. X is equal to twice y. So this is what? X by 2. This limit is x by 2. Now I have to solve this. Once we get the limits, no need the figure. Now the figure becomes useless then after this. But what? So without figure, without this figure, so that means what? Without that region, you cannot find the limits of x, and that means you cannot solve the problem actually. So and what is the part of this, the region is what? So to find the limits of x and y. So that's why we need to draw the region. Okay. So we need to draw the figure diagram. Okay. So now we'll integrate this. This is what? 0 to 1. We'll integrate this. This is what? Twice y minus xy minus twice y square by 2. Okay. So x by 2, 1 minus x by 2 dx. So this is what? 0 to 1. We'll put 1 minus x by 2 in the place of y. So here what? 2 into 1 minus x by 2 minus x 1 minus x by 2 plus 1 minus x by 2 bracket square. Okay. So we put this minus. So we have put y is equal to x by 2. So if you put y x by 2 is x now, then what? Minus x square by 2. X square by 2. Y is equal to this. Okay. 2 get cancelled. Minus x square by 4. Minus x square by 4. Complete. So this is what? The x now. So this is what? 0 to 1. Okay. So we'll simplify this. So this is what? 2. Okay. So keep this as it is because this is integrable. Okay. Don't expand that. Okay. So now this is what? This only 2 now here. Constant. There is no constant. 2. Okay. So now this is what? Minus x. Minus x. So this is what? Minus x minus x. This will what? Minus x, and this is minus x. Is minus twice x. Is minus twice x. Okay. And this is what? Plus x square by 2. We'll keep this x square by 2 as this. So do you understand this? How we got twice x? So this 2 get cancelled, and this is what? Minus x. And this will be the minus x. I am not expanding this. I will keep this as it is because what? I can integrate that. Okay. So I will keep this as it is. So this is what? Minus x plus x square by 2 plus x square by, we can simplify this. You can simplify this. X square. Okay. So how you can do this one? You can multiply and divide by 2. Okay. So this is minus 2 minus 1. So minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 x square. Minus 3 by 4 x square. Okay. How you got this x square? This x square. So x square by 2 this. Okay. So again you can simplify this. Again if you multiply by this 2. Okay, we will keep this one directly. Okay, now we will simplify this. 0 to 1. 2. This is minus x, so minus 3x. So this is x square by 2. 2x square by 4, and this is 3. So this is what? Minus 1 by 4 x square plus 1 minus x by 2 square dx. I can integrate this, so I will keep this as it is. No need to expand. If you want to expand, you can do. Okay. Now I will integrate this. What? Twice x minus 3x square by 2, 1 by 4, x cube by 3. How we can integrate? This is linear function. Just increase the power by 1. Right? Just increase the power by 1. So 3 into coefficient of x is minus half. Coefficient is minus half. Okay. Now this is 0 to 1. This is 0 to 1. We'll put, if you put x is equal to 0, now see that so this part is only 0, but this will be not 0. So you have to put x is equal to 0 now. We'll put x is equal to 1 now directly. We'll put x is equal to 1. So this is what? 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So if you put x is equal to 1 here, so this is half. So this is first I will write this is minus, this is what? 2 by 3. This is what? 2 by 3. We have 3 by 2. This is minus 3 by 2. And take the reciprocal 2 by 3. And you have to put x is equal to 1 now here. So 1 minus half is half now. This is what? Half. Okay. So this is the upper limit. Minus, you have to put a lower limit. So if you put a lower limit here, this will be 0. This will be 0 then. Just this is what? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Okay. So now see here. 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So this is what is? So 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So what is this? This is minus 1 by 3. So this is plus 1 by 3 then. Plus 1 by 3. Plus 1 by 3. So I make a mistake somewhere. So here what? This is what? Minus minus become plus. This is plus now. Okay. So because of this we are in trouble now. So this is what then? X square, and this is what? So 2 plus 2 by 4 here. 2 plus, this is what? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So actually something, we have made a mistake somewhere. What we'll do? We'll solve once again from this. So here what? Okay, so 0 to 1. We'll simplify this. 2 minus x, okay? Minus x square by 2 plus 1 minus x plus x square by 4. I will expand all these things, okay? So minus x plus x square by 2 plus x square by 4. Okay, now we'll simplify this. Okay, now this is what? 0 to 1. 2 means 3. This is 3. Okay. X minus 2 minus x minus 2y. 2 minus x minus 2y. This is what? Minus. This is minus. Okay. So then this is what? Minus 1 plus this minus this. Okay. So it will be then what? 1 minus twice x plus x square dx. Okay. And if you solve this will be what? 1 by 3. Because what? Integration from 0 to 1. So this is 1 by 3. Okay. So I have made mistake here what? So sign of this. Okay. Okay. So actually it was the simple. So if you have to take the care of the plus sign minus sign, right? So if you have not taken the care of the plus sign minus sign, we are making mistake like this. Okay. So find the value. We'll take the next problem. Find the value. Find the volume of the solid bounded by the cylinder y square plus z square is equal to 4, and the planes x is equal to twice y, x is equal to 0, z is equal to 0 is the first option. Is the first option. X is equal to twice y. Okay, solution. Y square plus z square is equal to 4. Okay, so that means what, z is equal to, so plus or minus, we are in the first octet, so just we don't need to write plus or minus, we are in the first octet, right? So it is first octet, so root of, so 4 minus y square. Okay, now volume is equal to double integral over d z dA. So d is the region bounded by x is equal to twice y, x is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0 means what, y square is equal to 2 means y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. Okay, so I have to draw this line. X is equal to twice y. This. Okay, so we draw this line. So x is equal to twice y. X is equal to twice y, and y is equal to 2. This is your y is equal to 2. This is what, y is equal to 2. This is what, x is equal to twice y. X is equal to twice y. This is your origin, x axis. This is your y axis. This is your region. This is your region. Okay. So here what, we'll draw strip parallel to the y axis. Now here we'll take the care, because see that, so no problem. So this is your z is integrable with respect to y. It is integrable with respect to x also. It is better to draw the strip parallel to x axis. Why? Because what, here what, you have to integrate this root of. So you need the formula for this one. So this is actually complicated. So this is easily z is integrable with respect to x. Easily integrable with respect to x. So that for that, so if you it is better to take the strip parallel to x axis. Okay. So this is also you can draw. So but you should know the formula for the root of x square minus x square, and you know that there are two terms, right? So this is what, integration of root of x square minus x square. This is what, x by 2 root of x square minus x square plus x square by 2. Then this is what, sine inverse of x by x, right? So that is this formula you have to use if you draw the strip parallel to y axis. So I will draw the strip parallel to x axis because that is easily integrable with respect to x now. Okay, so I will draw the strip parallel to x axis. Okay, so now I will write the limit and then I will erase the figure then. Okay, so d is equal to, so our strip is parallel to x axis, so I have to write the limits of y here first. Okay, so what are the limits of y? So here what, y is equal to 2 now. Y is equal to 2 is perfect here. So x is equal to what then? 4. So y is equal to x is equal to twice y. So 4 2. So limits of y is 0 to 2 now. Okay. So now here what the x from the left curve is what 0. This is x is equal to 0. This line. Okay. And x this is what twice y. Twice y. Root of 4 minus y square dx dy. Dx dy. Okay. So now this is what 0 to 2. This is x root of 4 minus y square will be as this. Limits are 0 to twice y dy. Now see, this is what if you put x is equal to 0, then this is what 0 to 2. This is twice y. I will write in bracket 4 minus y square dy. So you see what is the derivative of 4 minus y square is minus twice y. So I write here what 0 to 2 minus twice y root of 4 minus y square dy. Okay, whatever the quantity in the under root, so derivative of that is there. So just like as root t, this is what root t. What is the integration of root t? T to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Your t will be as it is now here. Okay, so what happened here? What no need to use the substitution, right? So this is of the form. This formula is what f of x f dash x root of f of x. Write this formula. Okay, so this is nothing but what? So 2 by 3 means 2 by 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. This is what f of x to the power 3 by 2. This will be your formula. Power 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, this will be your formula. So use this formula here now. What we get then? Minus 2 by 3. So 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square to the power 3 by 2. And limits are what? 0 to 2. Okay. So first we will put 2 now here. So you have to take the care of. Because outside there is a minus sign. So minus. So this is what? Minus 2 by 3. We put y is equal to 2 here. So 2 here what? Y square. 2 square. So this is 0. So you are what? If you put the upper limit, it will be 0. Now we put the lower limit. So this is what? You have to write this one along with the sign. You have to take the care of the sign. So y is equal to 0. Now 4 to the power 3 by 2. This is what? 4 to the power 3 by 2. This will be 0. Minus minus become plus. So this is 2 by 3. Now here what? 4 means what? 2 square. And square to the power 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So this is what? 2 cube. So this is 8. So this is 16 by 3. So your answer is what? 16 by 3. Okay. So we solve one more problem. Find the volume of the solid. Find the volume of solid. Volume of solid bounded by the cylinder. Bounded by cylinders. Y square plus z square is equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay. Solution. Given that y square plus z square is equal to r square. So this implies that z is equal to I will write only the plus sign. So this is what? R square minus y square, right? It is upper half of the cylinder. Upper half of the cylinder. Upper half of the cylinder. Okay. Why it is upper half? Because here what? Plus or minus. So that means what your volume will be what then? 2 times, because we are not taking the load, because due to the symmetry we will find the value of the upper part. Okay, so then required value is also for the lower part also we need, so we will take the twice of that one. So this is what? D, this is what? Z, D. So where D is the region bounded by D is the region bounded by y square is equal to r square and the x square plus y square is equal to r square. Okay, so that means what? Write a circle now here. Y is equal to r, right? So y square is equal to r square into y is equal to plus 1. We write a circle now. Circle. Okay, now for this circle, you have to consider all the circle now here. So we draw the strip parallel to, because what? This is easily integrable with respect to x. So I will draw the strip parallel to x axis. Okay. So now this will be what then? This will be what? So this is what? This is minus root of what? R square minus x square. And this is root of what? R square root of y square now. Minus y square. Root of minus y square. Okay. Okay. So right now limits. Value is equal to 2 times double y. Y what? Minus r to r now. Because what? We are taking the full circle. So limits of x is what? Minus root of r square minus y square. R square minus y square. So root of r square minus y square dx dy. Dx dy. Now we'll integrate this. Now see. So actually you can draw the strip parallel to x axis. It doesn't matter this, right? It is plus or minus x square this. X also minus r to r. But now this is not easily integrable in respect to y now, right? So this is easily integrable with x. So because what? This is purely a function of y. So now this is what? X root of r square minus y square. So minus root of r square minus y square root of r square minus y square dy. So this is 2 minus r to r. We'll put this. This is what? R square minus y square. Right? Minus of. You have to put this is what? R square minus y square. Minus become plus now this. Right? Because what? You have to put x. And this is the lower limit. So this is what? R square minus y square. Okay? So this is dy. This is dy. So now this is what then? So see, this is what? Twice. So this will be 4 then. Minus r to r square minus y square dy. Okay. So now we'll integrate this. So this is what? R square y minus y cube by 3. Minus y cube by 3 minus r to r. Okay. So 4 r cube minus r cube by 3 minus 4. You have to write y is equal to r now. So this is minus r cube and this is minus will become plus r cube by 3. Okay. So we just take 4 common and we'll take the addition. This is what? R cube minus become plus r cube. Okay. So now this is minus r cube by 3. So this is what? Again minus r cube by 3. So what is this then? 4 twice r cube minus twice r cube by 3. Okay. Again this will be what then? 8. Right? R cube. So this is 3 r cube minus r. So this is what? 2 r cube. Otherwise what? You can directly do the calculation. This is what? Okay, so we'll do that directly. This is what? 4. This is 6. This is 6. 6 minus 2, that is 4. So this is what? 4 r cube by 3. So this is what then? 16 r cube by 3. This is your required answer. Right? So your volume is what? 6 r cube by 3. Okay. So we have solved the 4 problems actually, right? It is much more than. Okay. So I hope that you understand this one. Okay. So how to find a volume by using the double integral. Okay. So try to solve these problems. Okay. So I hope that you understand all these things. Now we stop here.